Well, hi there, pluckers. I have a sore fingers again with you with possibly an interesting song for some of you. Okay, this won't appeal to everybody, no doubt. Okay, a bit controversial, this one. I've had several requests for this song over the last 12 months or so, so I thought, okay, I'll do it. Okay, it's a song called Psycho, and it's done. Cover version of it's done by Jack Kittel, and he released this song in 1974, I believe. It's a sort of country sort of song, but it's about a serial murderer, and it's written by a gentleman called Leo Payne, who would you believe also wrote a song called I Love You Because, which was a big hit for Elvis and Jim Reeves and I think a few other people. Okay, but it's the same guy. He wrote this song in 68, I believe, 1968, and it's, I say, it's about a serial murderer, and it was, I think he wrote it from the point of view of the serial murderer's side of the story, sort of thing. Okay, telling the story about it. So what I've done is I've done the song with obviously a lesson attached to it, and if you want to investigate further, there's a link in the description box. So if you're not, obviously I appreciate not everybody's cup of tea this, but if you want to listen to it and possibly learn how to play it, I believe it has quite a large cult following, this song, so I'm told. So there you have it. Okay, be warned. Okay, thanks very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.